Today is November 5th, and I have another message from the aliens. I'm an interdimensional communicator, and earlier today I was doing a live channeling session on TikTok, and I totally forgot to give you an update on 3i Atlas. And I was all ready to give you 7 points, so that's where we're going to start. First, our government agencies will not decide if 3i Atlas is or is not just a comet. NASA calls it a comet and is an object with a visible coma, but that only means it looks comet-like from far away. It's like seeing lights in fog and assuming it's a car without checking if it's a drone or an orb or a spacecraft, even if it's like floating up in the sky. Calling it a comet keeps the public calm, but it does not make it confirmed. Second, available data suggests behavior unlike any other comet ever recorded. These are not fringe opinions. The word comet is convenient language, but it is not the full story. Third, its flight path was calculated to have only a 0.005% chance of happening by accident. It's moving too fast to be bound to the sun, yet it's aligned perfectly with our solar plane. It traveled a strategic route past inner planets and then close to the sun, which is what alien spacecraft might do, but not a random rock. Fourth, on October 29th at perihelion, 3i Atlas brightened sharply and shifted towards blue, a behavior never documented in any known comet. A bluer hue usually means hotter or more metallic, not dusty ice. Now, fifth, early analysis shows evidence of non-gravitational propulsion. That's motion that gravity alone cannot explain. Some assume it's outgassing, others interpret it as evidence of being engineered, but the point is we simply don't have the data. Six, preliminary scientific analysis released a couple weeks ago found nickel gas without corresponding iron, which has never been observed in natural comets. Refined nickel without iron is something that NASA works very hard to create for our spacecraft. It doesn't just freeze that way. And lastly, 7, as of today, high-resolution imagery have not been released by NASA or other space agencies. That's unusual. Funding delays in the US don't explain worldwide silence. Okay, now let's get to the message from the Council of 9, which is the leadership team of the Galactic Federation. As usual, they gave me their message telepathically. I converted it into words on my iPad, checked in with them, and now it's ready for you. Here's their message. 3i Atlas is not a comet and never was. As we have said from the beginning, it is alien theater arriving from the cosmos to capture your attention and imagination, serving as a counterbalance to Earth's current energies. It will not approach your planet, will not land, and will not take anyone with it as it moves away from the sun and out of your solar system. Those of you who felt unexplained joy and peace this past week, despite real-world challenges, are encouraged to hang on to that energy. Find that inner yes. You are divinely guided to the truth that lives in your heart. The same place you'll find the meaning of 3i Atlas and all the magic to come in New Earth. My heart knows it's not a comet. But I'm not asking you to believe me. Your job is to use your own discernment to decide what's true for you. For me, its improbable path alone is remarkable. And then add in nickel without iron and timing with Beltane and Day of the Dead and this supermoon. Nothing that NASA says will ever convince me there isn't intelligent piloting happening there. I'll be back again the next time they give me another message from the aliens.